Okay, here to do a little unboxing of the Halloween 2025 limited edition. This one is, I believe, number 205. You can see that. So, let's just jump right into it, because I know I sure do want to. Alright, first of all, normal sticker. Goatguns, and then this beautiful sticker that goes with the gun for Halloween. Then, of course, the thank you for your order card. Comes with all of them, and looks like no scratcher. And this one, and this model is the STG-44 Halloween edition. So we'll jump right into the assembly. I like to keep this open right in front of me. And this popped out. Look at this beautiful paint job on it. Alright, and I'll do better shots of the fully finished thing, but first we grab our lower round body. Oh, okay, apparently forgot to grab the spring out of your little baggie. Magnet, some screws, screwdriver, and a little pin. So your little spring goes right into that bottom one. Like so. Then take your stock and align it just right with that same hole from that you just put the spring, and slide it in together. Let me slide it out just a little bit. Put that up there. There we go. Now your grip is nice and locked in. And that's pretty much steps 1 and 2. Flip it over. And now you're going to insert the pin. So yes, there's that pin. That's what that is. It's a long pin. Let's see if I can get a good shot of it. There you go. Long pin, so you can't mistake it. Then you don't want to take it from this side, insert it right into that hole that you see that locks all that parts together that you just did. Now, it may be a pin, but it's also a screw, so once you push it all the way in, take your screwdriver, tighten it in. Not very talented with these flatheads, so this is a little tedious. And you always want to remember, do not over tighten, but also don't under tighten. Make sure it's nice and snug. That way it doesn't come out or strip out. Alright, so now that screw is, pin is in. And that is pretty much the gun. So we're going to grab the clip. The little ammo rounds. Load up the clip. That was a little fun part. Sometimes I always have a little trouble with my big hands, so just be patient with it, and they'll slide in just right. Oop. Don't do that. It ejected itself out before I even got it. Alright, there you go. Take that. Kind of pretty much slide it right in. And there we go. And she is a beautiful gun for Halloween, especially looking at that stock with the goat of hearts. Last thing I need to do, or any of us need to do, is take that last little screw and put your stand together. You got little fins that go in. There. And let's see if we can just drop it in. Yep. Looks like there's a little bit of excess stuff on this one. So I'm going to take this off of this and take your flathead screwdriver, if there is, and just run it along the hole. Get rid of some of that excess that didn't come off when they did it. Easy enough. And let's just drop that screw in first. just get it started. Okay, sorry about that. I did pause it. There we go. Sarge Slayer is on it. And I'm starting to wonder if I put it on right. There we go. Give you guys a good view of it. Beautiful gun. Stands and everything. Alright. That's my tutorial on the STG-44. Thank you. Have a good day.